All right, trade recap from today. So today I took two losses. Yeah, unfortunate. It is what it is. I want to get my backtesting data from this. Like before, I just backtested September, or not fully September, but August. I did fully trade August on 2019. I've seen for my data before, August, mostly August and December are my worst results or worst months with trading results I get. And now, obviously, everyone knows we're in December now. So that does make sense. I'm getting losses. I know already going in every day, trading day. I'm expecting, okay, I'm not expecting great stuff because we're in December and I've seen my strategy doesn't perform so well in December. So yeah, taking two losses, you can see the win rate is really, really high. I would say that's really unrealistic. But going into the performance by month, you can see August not so good. And then December, I'm not still there, but I have 3 years of backtesting data total now. No, 3 years, yeah. And August and December always come up as like the worst backtesting or worst months with data. And yeah, what I said, like going into each day, I'm not expecting great price action because we're in December now. And yeah, you can see took two losses, followed every rule. Again, took $285 risk per trade, just a bit less. Like honestly, it would be around just near $600 loss, which it isn't. So it's just a bit less than how much I'm allowed to risk. But yeah, followed every rule. I was bullish into the day. Yeah, gonna show my setups. So everything that I marked out. Let me just remove all this here. And then on ES, I didn't have this marked out. But yeah, going into the day, 9:30 open right here. So bigger time frame, already at the, like you could be looking at the way bigger time frame, but already bigger time frame, we're obviously really, really bullish. Like on a bigger time frame, there's no reason for price to be going lower. Why should it go way lower? So what I then look, okay, so from this daily range, we're in here. And then what I had marked out in here is looking like at the 4 hour, we have a busy here. Our busy here, I always mark out singular ones. So we have a singular 6 hour busy here. You just have to see closing the day there. I think that looks nice. But yeah, low hanging fruit on this time frame would be all-time highs for NQ here, and for ES it will also be all-time highs right here. So only two targets on ES, one target on NQ. That would be the low hanging fruit. And then like you see this candle now, but obviously we didn't get that candle yet. We're at 9:30 open at around, like I would say right there. So yeah. So let's see. I was expecting for 9:30 to open, have like maybe a Jude swing lower, and then trade to a London high at least. Like looking at this 9:30 open, if you could just see this and not look at ES. Oh yeah, okay, you can see it on ES, but 9:30 open here. I was looking at this as a market maker buy model. This being the original consolidation, and this could also be original consolidation. This could be a fractal market maker buy model. So this could be original consolidation or this could be original consolidation. This could be original consolidation, but this could also be a stage of accumulation with this being original consolidation. So that's wise, but okay. So yeah, what I have marked out here or stages of accumulation. So RDC, okay, yes, with this high 8:30, we have really clean highs up here, and this would also be a stage of accumulation, which is London high also. We have really clean highs up here, so this was definitely a target. Marking that same high on NQ, that'll be right here, really clean highs up there. So that'll be a stage of accumulation, and then this. So this is only what I have marked out. 9:30 open. Going into 9:30 open. Did we had 10 a.m. news? No, we didn't. I don't even know. Let me check really quick. For structure on here. We had news today, but it was we had CPI at 8:30. No, I'm lying. That's Wednesday. So we had unemployment claims at 8:30, PPI at 8:30, and yeah, that was it. So we didn't have any 10 a.m. news. But yeah, still what we did is 9:30 open, we chop around literally the first half hour of the market open. Okay, so what I do, 10 a.m. right here, after 10 a.m., 5 minutes before 10 a.m., I'm not allowed to trade. So I was waiting after 10 a.m. 10 a.m. opens right here. That's the 4-hour candle that opens right there. So right there, we trade lower, taking out these equal lows, this low, this to me, accumulation. Manipulation, this would be an inversion. This should send price lower if we are bearish. That's the inversion. What we do is we close above here. You barely see it, but we did close above here, right there. That was the entry. Stop at the low, taking out equal lows, and then my break-even point would be at a 1-to-1. So that would be right there. Ooh, that would be right there. And then on ES, break-even point would be at the high all the way up there, which we didn't get, obviously. But yeah, as you can see, that was the first loss I took. Okay, so one loss taken, totally fine. I still think this is going to be a good day. So we did, we trade lower and then trade higher from here. Again, I should have taken this trade, but I didn't. I was trying to get in this, but I was too late. I felt bad the entire AM session because I thought I was going to miss a trade and it's going to run to TP. That'll be the stop. You can see, again, accumulation, manipulation, this low, and then ES taking like equal lows below this low, 830 low and this low. So accumulation again, NQ same thing by the way, but accumulation, closure above, this should send price lower, close above, that's the entry. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and then London high would be the first target, which is 2.3 RR. Eventually you can see ES hit it on 11:11, which is right here. And okay, so I should close the full position or first TP there. No, I'm gonna extend it until it's a 1 or 2 at least, because that's what I always do. And you can see it never got hit. Okay, I would have been stopped at break even here, at least on a tick, but that's fine. If I was in this, that was even like I saved myself a really emotional trade there. I wouldn't do anything after. I wouldn't do anything after. Yeah, that's just it. But yeah, okay. So I didn't take the trade, but I should have taken that, and it doesn't matter anyway. I would have been stopped at break even and didn't need TP anyway. But still, okay. That was the AM session. And then there weren't any trades in here. 11:15, that's where I closed the chart. I come back in the PM session, which is at 13:15. So 13:15 is right here, and you can see it's almost the high of the day. But yeah, again, I was still really bullish. London high was now taken. We can remove this, and I was actually expecting for the market to go near all-time highs, like not to take all-time highs because it's really far, but I was expecting for the market to be really bullish again still. So what we had here on, we have like a 5-minute business here, view, and then on 15-minute, okay, we have nothing in this leg here. When I was in like a PM session, 13:15, this price action in here, it's not really like, it's really close in, like we don't really have any inefficiencies, but still we do have one. We have a Singer one in the entire leg, Singer 15-minute busy, which price was still in, you can see busy here, got close below, got close leg above. This should be a reclaimed busy. And you can see this candle still respecting it. Beautiful wick there. And yes, does have a 15-minute busy here. Okay, does close below, way below here. And then even there. But you can see this low, which is 12 AM low, which is lunch hour low. We do have an SMT there. Okay, so you can already see, okay, my trade is probably there then. Why are you explaining so much? And my trade is right here. 14. You get a nice reaction off that 15-minute busy. We have an SMT at lunch hour low. Still bullish bias, still bear time frame bullish bias. We're still in this really big busy. We're in this busy. ES has an SMT at the low. It does look really good. Like how I am explaining it, like it sounds really good, right? But no. This would be the inversion, really small one. Taking out equal lows, reckoning off that busy. 14 open. The 4-hour candle trades lower. This is like distribution in my eyes. Okay, I think we're on side. This is the inversion. Itchy a tick, but we do close above it. That was my entry. That was my entry, yes. Stop was at the low of the sweep. And then I was starting a 1-2, which you can see like never got hit. I got stopped down on that as well. So those were the 2 losses I took today. One break even, or one trade I missed, and then 2 losses. Totally fine. As I said, we're in December now. I could blow the account in this month. But yeah, going into each trading day, I already know, okay, the price action isn't going to be great for me. And like still, the price action was fine. But still, how I normally trade, this normally would work. Like, I don't want to say that because the market can do anything it wants, but yeah, this is just how I normally trade. I don't from backtesting as well. Like, I didn't change anything. I'm still doing everything as normal, but just the bias is wrong. Because is it because of the month? I don't know. I really don't know. Should I be, if it's August, if it's December, should I just, okay, if I'm bullish, I should be bearish because I always have like a bad month of those. Who knows? Maybe that would be working. I don't know, but just for now, this trading day, I know it's just, okay, I blame it on it being December. January, slowly building better price action. January is still not the best, but slowly building better price action. And then after 2025, we'll see. Hopefully that's going to be it for me. I do have a lot of faith in myself. I will be pushing it to my absolute best every single day in there as well. Just like now, and really trying to do my best. I have a lot of faith in myself of actually making it. And yeah, as I said, we'll just keep pushing myself. But yeah, that will be the trade recap of today. This is the trade recap. This will be the last trade recap of this week. There's no other trading. Yeah, also, like I already explained a bit about my emotions of this entire week, because this entire week I was only trading on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, Wednesday I took a small win because I took one loss earlier and then took one win, so $300 win, and then now I took a loss. My emotions with this, like, I don't really feel anything, but did it affect how I took trades? No, because it's almost purely mechanical, but still, like, I really like trading, and it just, the strategy doesn't really allow me to trade much. And when it does, when I can trade and it are losses, like, it sucks. Of course it sucks. But yeah, I'm just sticking to my system, following every rule, not breaking any rule, staying disciplined, staying consistent. I think that's what it's all about. And yeah, but it does suck, of course. Like, I do have emotions. I'm not a robot. Yeah, that was just a trading week, and then a trade recap for this week. Not trading tomorrow because we don't have any news. Next week should be a good trading week, but yeah, that'll be in the trade recap, or weekly recap, weekly review. But yeah, this is gonna be the trade recap. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you.